What if you could learn English the same way Americans speak in movies? Today, I'll break down REAL phrases from famous scenes of Chads.
Welcome back to Pop Culture Explained. Today, we're diving deep into the biggest cinematic moments of the year.
And trust me, there were a lot of them. Welcome to the show.
Let's dive in.
Today, we explore the Golden Age.
Did you catch that ending?
Totally unexpected. Best movie of the year, hands down.
Hey, Nathan. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about learning English through famous movie scenes today. Maybe because I watched the movie last night instead of going to sleep like a responsible adult.
Oh no. What movie kept you awake this time?
The Avengers. And I told myself just one scene. But then one scene became three. And three became the whole movie.
Classic. Hi, everyone watching. I'm Nora.
And I'm Nathan. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you learn English in a fun and natural way.
Today's topic is honestly one of my favorites. Learning English through famous movie scenes. USA Pop Culture Edition.
Yes, movies are such a fun way to learn English. They're full of expressions, emotions, and real-life conversation patterns.
And even if the English isn't perfect or too fast sometimes, movie scenes help you understand tone, feeling, and rhythm.
Exactly. Plus, movies are just fun, unlike grammar books.
Don't say that. Grammar books have feelings too. So, did you sleep late because of the movie?
Oh, yeah. I went to bed at 2 a.m.
What? Nah.
I know, it's terrible. But I can't help it. When Iron Man says something funny, my brain wakes up like, yes, more.
Honestly, I understand. Some movies are just too good to stop. What about you? How was your morning?
Pretty peaceful. I made coffee, played with Daisy, my dog, and then practiced a little guitar.
Wait. You play guitar in the morning? Who are you, a rock star?
No, I play very badly, like scare the neighbors level bad.
Poor neighbors. But speaking of sounds, movies have amazing lines that help learners practice listening.
Yes, and famous scenes are great because people already know them, even if they haven't seen the whole movie.
For example, the line, "Life is like a box of chocolates" from Forrest Gump.
Oh, yes, everyone knows that line.
It's simple, clear, slow, perfect for English learners.
So let's talk about why movie scenes help you learn English.
First reason, emotion. When a scene is emotional, funny, sad, exciting, you remember the lines better.
Yes, like in Titanic, when Jack says, "I'm the king of the world."
That line, iconic.
And the English is simple. I'm the king of the world. 6 words, but memorable.
That's the power of movies. Let's talk about how learners can use movie scenes to practice. Repeat them, shadow them, act them out.
Yes, shadowing is when you listen and repeat at the same time.
Like you're copying the actor's rhythm and tone.
For example, from Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility.
Said slowly with emotion. You can practice tone with that line.
By the way, do you remember the first movie you tried to watch in English?
Oh my gosh, yes. It was Home Alone.
That movie is chaos.
I know, and I didn't understand every word, but I understood the emotions, the screaming, the jokes, the pranks. And slowly I understood more and more.
That's the trick. You don't need to understand everything, just the feeling.
Exactly.
Let's go through some classic movie scenes and show learners how they can learn from them.
Oh yes, this will be fun.
Caption 1. The you talking to me scene from Taxi Driver.
Simple sentence, strong tone. You talking to me?
Great for practicing short sentences, attitude, confidence.
And it teaches rhythm. English has rhythm like music.
Caption 2. The May the Force Be With You scene from Star Wars.
This line is perfect for learners. Slow, clear vowels.
And it teaches blessing type expressions like good luck or be strong or may the force be with you. Caption 3. The I'll be back scene from Terminator.
Everyone knows it. 3 simple words, but powerful.
And it teaches contractions. I will to I'll. Caption 4. The Just Keep Swimming scene from Finding Nemo.
My favorite. It's cute, positive, easy English.
And it teaches encouragement phrases. Don't give up. Keep going. Just keep swimming.
Honestly, I think Finding Nemo taught me more life lessons than school.
Same. Dory is wiser than she looks.
Definitely.
Another reason movies help learners, actors speak with real emotion.
Yes, not robotic, not textbook style.
For example, in The Pursuit of Happiness, there's a scene where Will Smith says, "Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something."
That line is slow and emotional, perfect for shadowing. Want to know something funny? There's a movie line I misunderstood for years.
Oh no, what was it?
In The Lion King, when Rafiki says, "It is time,"
Yes?
I thought he said, "It is slime."
What? It is slime?
I was a kid. I didn't know English well. I thought he was talking about the mud on the ground.
That is amazing. Disney would make it sticky.
And that's the thing. It's okay to misunderstand. It's normal.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep listening.
Movies help you practice listening again and again.
By the way, all this movie talk is making me hungry
Hungry? Why?
because I keep thinking about popcorn at the theater
Popcorn is a movie essential.
and nachos and soda and basically all the unhealthy snacks.
Yes. All the essential movie vitamins.
But really, watching movie scenes helps you learn tone, speed, body language, everyday expressions.
And American pop culture is full of simple lines that everyone knows.
Like, you can't handle the truth from A Few Good Men.
Or Run, Forrest, Run from Forrest Gump.
Or, why so serious from The Dark Knight.
Yes, short, powerful English.
So yeah, movie lines are short, fun, and easy to remember. And when something is fun, your brain learns faster.
Yes, learning English shouldn't feel like pain. It should feel like eating popcorn, light and enjoyable.
Exactly. And speaking of popcorn, you know what happened to me last time at the cinema?
Oh no, a Nithin story is coming.
Yes. I bought a big popcorn, huge, like bigger than my head.
Why do you always order the biggest size?
Because the medium is only $1 less. It's a trap.
Okay, so what happened?
I sat down and spilled half of it on my pants.
Gasped, then laughed loudly. No!
Yes, and the theater was dark, so for 10 minutes I thought, oh wow, this popcorn feels warm.
You are sitting on it?
Yes, I was literally sitting on popcorn. I smelled like butter for 2 days.
Okay. We need to behave. Back to English.
Right.
So another thing movies teach you is real conversation speed. Not too fast, not too slow. Just natural speech.
Yes, and different characters have different speaking styles.
For example, in Friends, the TV show, Joey speaks slowly and simply. Rachel speaks faster but soft. Ross is dramatic. Monica is intense. Phoebe is Phoebe.
Yes, she's a language all by herself.
You can practice English by choosing a short scene, maybe 10 seconds, and repeating it.
Like from Toy Story. You are a toy.
Simple, clear, funny.
Or from The Incredibles.
Suit up.
Or from The Matrix, follow the white rabbit.
These scenes are not long or complicated.
Some of my favorite learning moments come from emotional scenes because when a scene is emotional, the English stays in your heart.
Yes, like the scene in Up, the beginning story of Carl and Ellie.
I cry every single time.
Everyone cries. If you don't cry, you're not human.
Exactly. And even though that scene has very few words, the emotions teach you so much.
Comedy scenes also help learners because comedians use rhythm and timing.
Like in Elf, when Buddy says, "I'm a cotton-headed ninny muggins." Silence, then laughter.
Kids love that line, and adults too.
Or in Shrek, when Donkey says, "We can stay up late swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles."
Perfect energy, perfect timing.
Another good thing is learning how to talk about a movie scene in English. You can use simple sentences like, "I like the part when," "My favorite scene is when," "The funny moment is when," "The sad part is when," "I remember the scene where."
Yes, super simple and natural.
Very famous line. Great for learning short problem sentences.
Good for practicing contractions.
Motivational, strong tone.
And all English learners know this meme.
Teaches slow, dramatic delivery.
You know, when I was young, I used to copy movie lines, even if I didn't understand them.
Same. Which line did you copy?
In Home Alone, Kevin says, "Keep the change, you filthy animal." I repeated it everywhere.
That is not a polite line.
I know. My grandma heard me and said, "Nathan, who taught you this?" And I said, "Kevin."
You blamed a fictional child. Famous movie scenes stick in your memory because they combine strong emotion, clear language, simple sentences, and visual action.
And when your brain sees and hears something, it learns faster. Also, when you know famous movie lines, American people connect with you more easily.
That's true. Americans love quoting movies.
Yeah, we quote movies like it's a sport.
Yes. If you say, "May the force be with you," everyone smiles.
Or if you say, "Why so serious?" people laugh.
But be careful, don't use every movie line in real life.
Yes, if someone tells you good news, don't say, "I'll be back."
Or, "You talking to me?" That'll scare them. Okay, we've talked about so many fun scenes, but we still have more to explore.
Oh, yes. There are so many iconic moments in American movies that are perfect for English learners.
For example, the scene from Rocky when Rocky runs up the steps.
Ah, yes. He doesn't say much, but the feeling is powerful.
Exactly. And sometimes the best English practice comes from scenes with few words but big emotion.
Because simple English carries strong meaning.
Let's share a few more lines that are helpful.
Sure. Let's go.
You complete me, Jerry Maguire. Short, emotional, good for romantic English.
To infinity and beyond. Toy Story. Fun, easy, great for practicing rhythm.
Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. The Godfather. A little longer, but very clear pronunciation.
Hakuna Matata. The Lion King. Universal, happy, simple.
It's showtime. Beetlejuice. Short and confident.
Now let's talk about how learners can practice movie English at home.
Yes, because watching is good, but practicing is better.
First tip, choose one short scene, not the whole movie, just 15 to 30 seconds.
Yes, small scenes are easier.
Second tip, turn on English subtitles.
Third tip, listen once, then listen again, then repeat after the characters.
And don't worry about sounding perfect. Just try to match their tone and rhythm.
Fourth tip, act it out. Use your hands, use your face, use your voice.
Yes, it might feel silly at first, but acting helps your English feel alive.
Exactly. English is not just words, it's expression.
You know, movies actually helped me improve English when I was younger.
Really?
Yeah, I used to watch Harry Potter over and over, and I would repeat every line Harry said.
Aw, baby wizard Nathan.
Totally. And slowly, my pronunciation got better.
I did the same with The Princess Diaries. I would repeat Mia's lines, especially when she said, "I'm still waiting for normal to happen."
That's relatable.
Right? And even if I didn't understand every word at that time, the rhythm helped me.
Movies also teach you how Americans really talk.
Yes, sometimes books teach formal English, but movies teach everyday English.
Like, come on, let's go. No way. Are you serious? Hold on. What's going on?
These short expressions appear in movies all the time.
And learners can use them in real life, too.
Let's act out a tiny movie moment to show them how simple it can be.
Oh, no. Okay. Which movie?
The Notebook, the "what do you want" scene.
No. But, okay, fine. Let's do it.
Dramatic voice. What do you want?
Dramatic voice, too. It's not that simple.
What do you want?
I want food.
Okay, that's fair. Much more realistic.
Pop culture is powerful because it makes English fun.
Yes, when you quote movies, people smile. They feel connected to you.
And you feel confident because you're using English you already know from scenes.
And it makes learning feel less like homework and more like play.
You know, movies help me through hard times too. When I felt lonely or stressed, watching a funny movie made me feel better.
Same. Movies can heal. And learning English through something that brings you joy, that's powerful.
Yes, because when your heart is open, your mind learns faster.
So, if you're learning English and you feel overwhelmed, start with something you love.
Start with one movie scene, just one.
Watch it.
Listen to it.
Repeat it.
Feel it.
And slowly, your English will grow.
Naturally.
Comfortably.
Joyfully.
Don't worry about big vocabulary. Don't worry about fast speech. Just enjoy the moment.
Because English is not just a language. It's connection. It's culture. It's expression. It's storytelling.
And movies? Movies give us all of that in one beautiful package.
So go watch your favorite scene today or discover a new one.
And remember, we believe in you. You're learning.
You're growing.
You're doing great.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.